Welcome to 2601 Johnson Drive in Columbus, Georgia. From the charming curb appeal to the amazing total renovation inside, this adorable home is an easy choice. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a little over 1,300 square feet with new paint, flooring, light fixtures, HVAC system, and more, this gem is move-in ready. The dining area and living room are right off the kitchen, perfect for entertaining. The hardwood floors provide low maintenance upkeep and lots of natural light pouring through the windows overlooking the front porch, making this space feel fresh and bright. Centrally located in the middle of Columbus with easy access to everything. Just a quick drive to Chick-Fil-A, highway access, or walk to Dunkin Donuts. This location is terrific. The spacious corner lot offers lots of green space for your favorite outdoor activities, and the covered back deck can be enjoyed year-round. This is 2601 Johnson Drive.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.